All right, what's up, everybody? We back. So today we got the Cam Summit. We got the big body Cam, part number 8713. We're about to put it in the car. So next video, it's gonna be me putting it inside. All right, catch you in a bit. There it is, the big old 6.0. Get off me. Over there. We got some rain going. But today we're taking off the Cam, swapping it out, putting a new one. Taking off the harmonic balancer for the big old 6.0. Stay tuned. Okay, now, so before removing the cam, make sure you have your timing marks aligned. See how I have that dot right here on top of the sprocket? There's the same mark on the bottom crank sprocket. So make sure you have those aligned before you remove the cam. Okay, yeah, see this one brought out a fucking lifter with it. Ah, cracked it. Replace this shit. That's why it shows fucking going down. What is this one?
Don't you need a magnet?
It's kind of sticking out right now. Bam. Fuck. Alright, got them all. Come on, baby. And there it is. Cam. So you want to see what's inside. You take off the cam. There's the lifter holes. Go inside, deep inside the butthole. Piston crank. There's a piston right there. There's a piston rod. Go all the way the fuck back. Here's the spec numbers for the cam that I'm about to put in the 6.0 for the Yuki. Take a look. Not bad. Now it's time to put that bad boy inside. This is a big body. All right, cam going in. Okay. in there. Nice and fucking smooth. Chicka, 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 yeah. Alright, let's start that shit. Okay, so after you have the retaining bracket installed, all they have to do now is get the tensioner, which is this black part right here, and just slide it in and bolt it in with the 2 bolts provided with the kit. And that's it. Okay, and then just reinstall the timing sprocket and the bolts. Make sure your timing marks are still in the same position when you took them off, and you should be good. Now just take a step back and admire your work.